Hello, little artists! In this video, we will learn how to draw a swing cradle, step by step. Very easy and fun for kids and toddlers.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's begin. First, draw 2 tall vertical lines for the swing stand. Now, draw 1 horizontal line on the top to connect the stands. Draw another horizontal line just below the top one. On the left side, draw 2 hanging ropes. Draw a small cradle seat at the bottom. On the right side, draw 2 more hanging ropes. Draw another cradle seat. Now draw some grasses at the bottom of the swing. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. Wow! Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it is time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Cream color.
La da 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 dee.
Awesome coloring, everyone! Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing this swing cradle, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.